Hello, welcome back. Now we will unbox this Anker 322 USB-C to USB-C cable. It's 6 feet long and braided. Anker is a good quality. It supports 60 to 60 watt charging and works very good with any charger or anything. We will use it with this Anker brick that we unboxed earlier. I'll plug it now to the wall. And test it on our phone. See, flash charge. It means it's charging 30 watts maximum the power brick can give. Anchor cables are good quality and durable, and they serve for many years. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.